Hi, this is Dan Goldberger at ElectroCore, responding to questions from the Grapevine Investor Network. The first question is, can I clarify how receptible insurance companies are to covering your device? And have you ever had any problems with insurance coverage for our device? And are there any potential new insurance reimbursement issues coming up that we need to be aware? My answer is that what we've said publicly is that GammaCore therapy is reimbursed under the Federal Supply Services contract that covers about 10 million lives in the VA system and military treatment facilities with no copay, so that the patient pays nothing out of pocket. GammaCore is also reimbursed by CVS Caremark at a non-exclusionary copay of roughly $50 to $75 per month for those beneficiaries who have a benefit design that does not differentiate between drugs and devices. Also, GammaCore is reimbursed by Express Scripts on all national standard formularies at a preferred copay of roughly $25 to $45 per month for those beneficiaries who have a benefit design that does not differentiate between drugs and devices. Question number 2, are your contracts with the VA long-term? Is there a term to your contract with the VA? Our current contract with the FSS is a 5-year term, and that began in mid-2019, so we still have 4 years to go, and we do not anticipate any problems in renewing that contract in the future. Question number 3. Regarding our product being able to address COVID-19 related issues, where do you see the benefits beyond COVID? I mean, are there uses outside of COVID? And my answer is that we have an emergency use authorization, an EUA, pending with the FDA to treat reactive airway disease, RAD, in COVID patients, and we also have 2 investigator-initiated trials that are enrolling patients for that indication. If those activities are successful, we may go back to the FDA in the future for a permanent clearance for reactive airway disease, which also occurs in influenza, asthma, COPD, ARDS, and a variety of other pulmonary dysfunctions. Separately from COVID, we've previously talked about the use of GammaCore therapy in concussion, in traumatic brain injury, in PTSD, as well as the fact that there is an investigator-initiated trial in treating stroke patients. So over the 3 to 5 year time frame, there are a variety of extended indications for non-invasive vagus nerve stimulation. And then the fourth and final question is, will we be making any changes to our sales and marketing organization over the next 18 months? Unfortunately, and in response to COVID, we furloughed our field sales executives in April 2020, and we plan to bring a few of them back on July 1, 2020, as some of the VA hospitals are starting to open up. We're going to continue to monitor that situation, and we will be adding sales staff as the business needs evolve. That concludes the 4 questions that were provided by Little Grapevine, and we greatly appreciate your time and attention.